Okay, let's create a one balloon roadrunner here. We need to inflate a balloon like this and leave an allowance at the end. Approximate inch would be 4 inch. Now, first step on our roadrunner, create a 2-inch bubble here for the mouth. And let's create 1-inch bubble here and another 1-inch bubble here. Put it together like this. Now, do a pinch twist here on our head of our roadrunner, just like this. So we have the head of our roadrunner and the mouth. Let's leave 3-inch bubble here for the neck of our roadrunner, just like this. And leave 3-inch bubble here for the body, and another 3-inch here, and one more 3-inch here, just like this. And put this 3-inch bubble here through these two 3-inch bubble. So this would be the body of our roadrunner. This is the wings of the roadrunner, and this is the chest of the roadrunner. Okay, now let's create the feet of our roadrunner. Create 2 or 3-inch bubble here for the leg, and another 2 or 3 inches. So we created the feet of our roadrunner. Now we need a little configuration here. Put a little character by putting these legs like this. Okay, now this neck should be put exactly right here.
Adam J, this beat is nice.
Just like that. Now, since we have a long tail here, we need to adjust the tail. It should be not quite long, not too short. Something in between. I think that's enough. Now, make a knot here so that the air will not come out. So we have an instant roadrunner. Thank you so much.